Meet the next generation of protection, Sensereo MS-1. It is an intelligent smoke alarm that alerts you to danger, even when you're not home. Call for help. Stay in control. Total peace of mind. With photoelectric sensing and advanced infrared light scattering technology, MS-1 delivers precise smoke detection, maximizing safety while minimizing false alarms. Built on Matter and Thread, MS-1 connects locally and securely across major smart home platforms without cloud dependency for maximum privacy. A unique dual battery system ensures protection never stops, even if smart features go offline. Certified to the EN 14604 standard, MS-1 is engineered for reliability, tested for endurance, and built to protect. Because protection should never take a night off, MS-1 is backed by a 7-year warranty, giving you lasting peace of mind. Sensereo MS-1, an innovation that keeps you safe and connected with smarter detection, stronger protection,